Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to air fry some squash, zucchini, and an onion. So stay tuned for sure, because we're going to see how this turns out together. Well, I've never tried to do this before, and so it'll be a new experience. So first thing I'm going to do is wash these veggies off, except for the onion of course, and I'm going to peel it. I'm going to wash these off and get them ready to slice up here. Okay, now we've got them all washed off, so I'm just going to cut the ends off of them here. Lay them in the plate for time beings. And last but not least, okay, now usually when I get ready to fix an onion here, I just go ahead and cut it right down the middle, and just makes it a whole lot easier to peel. But being as I'm going to do something different with this one, I don't think I want to do like that. I'm just going to go ahead and try to peel it here. Okay, now I've got my handy dandy KitchenAid mandolin here. I'm going to start slicing some of these up. Let's see how thick they are. Let's get a better one here. Let's make them just a little bit thinner than that. So you come over here and you turn your dial. That looks a little better. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, that looks pretty good right there. Alright, now you have to watch out with this thing, because it'll do your fingers just like it's doing this squash here. But we've got a little guide right here that helps us, just like this. Alright, see, that took that thing all the way down to those last two little pieces right there, so that's not bad. Alright, let's try zucchini. This is an easy way to do this, but you gotta have sense enough to stop before you get down too low. Well, see, you can get it all, practically all of it like that. Let's try a little bit of this onion. Look at how pretty that slices up. Just to show you. See how nice and pretty those rings are? Whoa. Now, let's start with this. Pretty quick with this thing. You see there? What? Now you got a big plate of veggies right there just from that one little slicing. Okay, now I gotta get me another plate here to put the rest of that in. Okay, now we're gonna take this other squash here. And last but not least, our last zucchini here. Close enough. Now, set this over here out of the way. Let's see how they are. Good stuff. I'm going to take this Evo oil sprayer right here, and I've got olive oil in it. I'm going to spray these a little bit. Two reasons to do this. It's going to help my spices stick to it, and it's going to help it to crisp up a little bit. So I'm using this 4C brand 4C breadcrumbs. It's seasoned. And so, just go sprinkle it all around in there like that. That smells good. It's got some kind of cheese in it. Oh, this is going to be good. All you vegetarians out there, this should be good to you. Now, if you're a hands-on kind of person, you know, you can just stick your hands down in there and start mixing that stuff. I never cared anything about doing that, so I do it like this. So now, next thing we've got to do is just come over here and dump all these veggies down there. It's FOODi DELUXE. And let me get them about the way I want them here. Alright, now we're going to see what kind of meal we can make out of this. Now the next thing we're going to do is shut the door, or lid, or whatever you call it. So we'll come over here and turn on the power. And we're going to leave it on air fry. We don't go put it at 390 though. We're going to drop the temperature down to 375 because we don't want it to cook too fast. And we're going to just leave it on 20 minutes for the time being. We'll change that later if we need to. So then we go hit the start button. And so there it goes. Now, while y'all waiting for this 20 minutes to count down, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much, all you people who watches our videos. It means a lot to us. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now it's been cooking for just a little bit over 10 minutes. Let's take a look and see what it looks like here. And we'll stir it up. It'll look good though. That smells good down in there too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. And we'll shut the door back. And there it goes again. Now if it's not ready, the time it's 9 minutes and 20 seconds is through, we'll put some more time on there and let it go a little bit longer. Because we did have quite a bit of stuff in that pot, so it might take a little bit longer than 20 minutes. But I got a feeling it's really going to be good, especially those vegetarians and vegans out there. Okay, now it's down to well, it's finished. But now I looked at it just a second ago and I don't think it's done enough. So what I'm going to do, here I'll let you look at it. Now since I want it to be a little crispy when I take it out here, I think I'm going to go ahead and crank up the temperature on it to about 390 and let it go for about 10 minutes and turn it about halfway through. So let me get started with that. Okay, so I'm going to turn the power back on. That's going to go to the air fry, and it's got 20 minutes on it. I'm going to take the time and drop it on down to 10 minutes. And we'll leave it at 390. Shut the door and hit start. Now I bet it crisps up in there, but we'll be back in a minute to check it. Okay, now it's getting down to almost the 5-minute mark of this cook here, so we'll open the store in just a second and take a look, and we'll let you look at the same time. And that's 5 minutes. Now it's starting to perk up some. Yep. So, now we'll stir it up a little bit. There you go. Now, we'll shut the lid back. Let it get started on back on this other 5 minutes here. And I think we'll be able to take it out and eat it when that's done. So stand by. Okay, now we're down to less than a minute on this thing. I looked at them a second ago and they look like it's just about to be right this time. So we'll see in just a second. So I swear I'm eager for some of these. I love these veggies when they cook like that. I'm not crazy about steamed vegetables, but sometimes in this thing they're even pretty good in this, even steamed vegetables. But now this is going to be sort of air fried a little bit, so I'm hoping, well, I know they're going to be better. A while ago when I said it'd be good for the vegans and vegetarians, I forgot the breadcrumbs had some kind of cheese in it, so I don't know if that's acceptable or not. So, we're down to 2 seconds. And let's take a look and see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. Don't believe that looks real good. As usual now, I didn't put any salt and pepper on these, but this is going to be my little pile here. The other pile in that pot there is going to be Kay's, so I'm going to put me some salt and pepper on these so I can try them real quick. Okay. It sure does smell good. Oh, look at that now. That's all 3 of them. It was. That's zucchini and squash and onions all at one time. This is so delicious. Even if you don't like vegetables, you'll like this. And these little onions like this, they almost taste like those that you got by in the can, you know, around Thanksgiving and stuff. That is good stuff. And this is one time I can even say it's actually good for you. So if you get a chance, try this combination one time. Zucchini and squash and onions. Put it in the air fryer. Now I cooked mine for 20 minutes at 375 on air fry. And then I went ahead and cooked it for another 10 minutes on 390. So, you know, you might start out at 390 and just keep an eye on them and turn them more often than what I did. But now, this is perfect right here, and I really hope you'll try it sometime. And so, thanks again for watching our videos, and I hope you watch more of them and come back and see us real soon. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. And goodbye now.